Hello there, my name is Emin Mamedov. I represent the company IT-Sputnik, and in this video I want to explain what the difference between name, last name inside of a lead and contact and company details inside of a lead as well. So the main difference is that you inside of a bitrix you got leads, deals, contacts, and companies as main objects. And when you create a lead, you can store contact details of your potential client inside of a lead. Name, last name, and that data will sort inside of a lead. But when you store contact details of your client inside of a contact, you store data inside of a contact or company and connect to the lead, which is very important. This is important because if you store data inside of a lead, that means that you have no that contact details of your client in your database. But for example, you got a new lead with contact details which you previously had before, but you have no current deals with such potential client. In that case, that contact details will be connected to contact and company. For example, you got incoming call, you got incoming message, you got message on WhatsApp, wherever, and with contact details which you already got in contacts right here. But you have no current deals or leads with such contact details. In that case, you will have a lead with contact details connected to the lead. So this is one option. And you dramatically save the time to store all data again. Because in some other CRM systems, you should do, wherever you have a new request from your client, you need to put all details again, which is very time consuming. In that case, you can just create a new lead, use contacts and company details from your database, and just put some commands like, they need the same product as before, but with some additional features. But if you got a new lead and some contact details of your potential client you never had before, you need to put inside of a lead. For example, test2, Mamedov test2 as well. And I will put company name, and also you put some details. Okay, so you save that lead, and then when you run that lead through the stages, and then you convert that lead as a success. Based on that lead, you create a deal which is the same as lead, but it means that contact details is your potential client, and you're able to sell something to that client. You using that details, creating contact. So you store that contact details in your database, and you create a company. You store that company name in your database for your future use. So I created a deal, and which is similar lead name, but also you see that new contact details connected and new company connected. If I go to the contact, so you got another object which is contact with contact details, and also you see that you connected the company to that contact. The same thing for the company. So you created the company, that details, and you connected the contact. That means that even, for example, that deal will be not successful. You will close this as deal lost, and that deal will be not exist in your current CRM, or you will close that sale as a successful sale, but next year then that contact will come along to you again to buy another product from you. You don't need to put all information again through the system. You just need to create a lead and connect the details to the lead. That's it. Very simple and very fast. So if you have questions, ask your questions in comments under the video. If you like the video, click like, and thank you and bye-bye.